In this video, we're looking at finding the value of the polynomial at different values of x. So let's first of all write the given information. So the polynomial, let's say the p of which is a function of x is given by 5x³ minus 2x² plus 3x minus 2. Now what we need to do is we need to substitute the value of x into the polynomial, which would mean we are first of all finding at x equal to 1. X equal to 1, we are saying it's polynomial p of 1, which would mean instead of x I'm substituting the value of 1. So it's 5, instead of x I'm substituting 1 minus 2, again 1 the whole squared,